Do you regularly have stomach complaints? This can indicate indigestion, also called dyspepsia. An upset stomach makes you feel uncomfortable. It makes you feel uncomfortable in the upper abdomen. Indigestion is not a disease, but symptoms that you usually experience after eating something. Indigestion is a common complaint among Americans. On average, 1 in 4 Americans have an upset stomach. Most suffer from indigestion. In this video, we'll give you 13 natural alternatives to prevent indigestion. Do you suffer from stomach complaints very often? Contact your doctor at all times. Indigestion is a challenge for many people. Just walk down any grocery store's pharmacy aisle and you'll see hundreds of over-the-counter drugs promising to relieve whatever is bothering your stomach. However, over-the-counter medications aren't always appropriate, particularly when you realize how many natural remedies are available for a variety of tummy problems. When treating nausea or a disturbed stomach, natural remedies may be an excellent first choice. Many of these stomach soothers can be found in your pantry and are easily incorporated into your daily routine. Here are 13 natural alternatives to consider. Number 1. Ginger. Ginger has long been recommended as a natural seasickness cure. It turns out that it works wonders for stomach problems. Research shows that ginger has antioxidant and anti-inflammatory properties that help reduce the excess of stomach acids that can cause nausea and indigestion. Ginger improves the digestive process by increasing absorption in the stomach. Here's how to get the advantage of this food. Suck ginger lozenges or use fresh ginger straight from your pantry to add spice to your meals. You can also drink ginger tea, which is especially helpful for morning sickness during pregnancy. Peel and slice 2 inches of fresh ginger root and place it in a pot of water. Bring it to a boil, then after 10 minutes, strain. Allow it to cool to room temperature before consuming it. Number 2. Chamomile. Chamomile is an anti-inflammatory herb that helps relax the muscles in the gastrointestinal tract and reduces gastrointestinal contractions triggered by an upset stomach. To enjoy the benefits of chamomile, you can drink it as a warm tea. Number 3. Rice. Another option to recover from indigestion is rice. If you're suffering from diarrhea, make some rice. Diarrhea is caused by bacteria releasing toxins, which causes the gastrointestinal tract to fill with fluid. Rice, on the other hand, is a bulking agent that can help absorb some of the fluid in the gut and reduce the number of loose stools. To relieve some of your pain, eat half a cup of rice with your meals. Number 4. Alternate day fasting. Alternate day fasting is especially helpful if you have a bloated stomach. Many people with bloating have a problem with their gut motility. You will improve the motility of your small bowel by fasting. To enjoy the benefits of alternate day fasting, try doing a 16:8 ratio loop. A 16:8 ratio loop of fasting is when you fast for 16 hours and then eat over an 8-hour window. Number 5. Bananas. This tasty fruit can help you with your indigestion issues. The magnesium and potassium content of bananas can help to relieve muscle spasms and cramps. Bananas can also help with diarrhea. You don't have to eat a whole bushel of bananas, thankfully. When you're having these symptoms, simply eat your usual amount. Number 6. Yoga. Yoga can be beneficial if you have trapped gas, which causes bloating and constipation. Twisting poses are said to stimulate the stomach. To enjoy the benefits of yoga for relieving indigestion, simply lay down and do 10 minutes of yoga poses, such as half Lord of the Fishes, supine spinal twist, and revolve chair twist when your stomach isn't feeling well. Number 7. Yogurt or kefir. By raising the amount of available good bacteria in your gut, the active cultures and probiotics in these two foods will help fight the bad gut bacteria that can cause bloating, poor digestion, and stomach pains. However, you should stop consuming kefir or yogurt with a lot of additives and sweeteners if you want to reap the benefits. Choose plain, unsweetened varieties instead, and consume a regular serving size, about half a cup, once or twice a day. Number 8. Tea with peppermint. Peppermint is more than just a breath mint. It also has an antispasmodic benefit, making it an excellent option for stomach issues like nausea and indigestion. To easily soothe your stomach, drink a cup of peppermint tea after meals, or hold a few bits of peppermint candy in your pocket and suck on the candy after feeding. Although peppermint can help with indigestion, it should not be consumed if your indigestion is caused by acid reflux. Since peppermint relaxes the lower esophageal sphincter, the muscle that separates the stomach and the esophagus, it may cause stomach acid to rush back into the esophagus, aggravating acid reflux. People who have gastroesophageal reflux disease or ulcers should avoid peppermint tea. Number 9. Apple cider vinegar. Apple cider vinegar is said to have a variety of health benefits, including improving skin health and weight loss. It may also help with indigestion. Drink apple cider vinegar to improve your body's production of stomach acid, which can cause indigestion if there isn't enough. Drink a cup of water with 1 to 2 teaspoons of fresh, unpasteurized apple cider vinegar for quick relief. Alternatively, drink the mixture 30 minutes before eating to prevent indigestion. Even though apple cider vinegar is healthy when consumed in moderation, it can cause tooth erosion, nausea, throat burn, and low blood sugar if consumed in excess or undiluted. Number 10. Fennel Seed. This antispasmodic herb can also help with post-meal indigestion, as well as stomach cramps, nausea, and bloating. Firstly, boil half a teaspoon of crushed fennel seed in water for 10 minutes. Whenever you have indigestion, drink fennel tea. If certain foods induce indigestion, chewing fennel seed after meals is another alternative. Nausea, vomiting, and sun sensitivity are some of the side effects of fennel. Number 11. Baking soda. Following a meal, baking soda, or sodium bicarbonate, will easily neutralize stomach acid and alleviate indigestion, bloating, and gas. Mix half a teaspoon of baking soda with 4 ounces of warm water and drink. In general, sodium bicarbonate is non-toxic and stable. Constipation, diarrhea, irritability, vomiting, and muscle spasms are also possible side effects of drinking a lot of baking soda. If you drink a baking soda remedy for indigestion, wait at least 2 hours before drinking another one. Adults should not consume more than 7.5 teaspoons of sugar in 24 hours, and seniors should consume no more than 3.5 teaspoons. Number 12. Licorice root. Licorice root can help to relieve muscle spasms and gastrointestinal inflammation, all of which can cause indigestion. For relaxation, chew licorice root or blend licorice root with boiling water and drink the mixture. In large doses, licorice root, while helpful for indigestion, can cause sodium and potassium imbalances as well as high blood pressure. For fast relief, consume no more than 2.5 grams of dried licorice root per day. For indigestion, eat or drink licorice root 30 minutes before or 1 hour after feeding. Number 13, lemon water. Lemon water's alkaline properties also help digestion by neutralizing stomach acid. Drink a tablespoon of lemon juice in hot or warm water before feeding. Lemon water is a good source of vitamin C as well as a natural indigestion reliever. Too much lemon water, on the other hand, will wear down your tooth enamel and cause you to urinate more frequently. Wash out your mouth with water after drinking lemon water to protect your teeth. With these natural options for curing indigestion, it's important to know when to see your doctor. Although indigestion is a common issue, certain cases should not be overlooked. Indigestion is a common symptom of many long-term digestive issues, such as acid reflux, gastritis, or even stomach cancer. As a result, see a doctor if your indigestion lasts longer than 2 weeks, or if you have serious pain or other signs like changes in appetite, vomiting, black stools, difficulty swallowing, and exhaustion. Do you like Healthy Life Wisdom? Then make sure to subscribe to our channel and leave this video a like if you enjoyed it. See you next video.